Good afternoon, my dear children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so our problem with the headset somewhat okay now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, we studied. Just now I sent some homeworks to you for today's.
Am I didn't see?
Okay, I sent some homeworks to you. So do it for tomorrow, not today. Okay. For tomorrow's homework. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Then. Yes, children. So now you know about the regular hexagon, regular pentagon. What is the name of a regular triangle?
Ma'am, it is an equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. What is the name of a regular quadrilateral?
Square.
Okay. So there we stopped. Now we will study about the quadrilaterals. That day I took something about the quadrilaterals, and after that I told that I'll continue in the next class, isn't it? Do you remember quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Abhyuday is in the waiting room. Abhyuday.
Okay. I'll see. I don't know whether he came or not. Abhyuday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll do the, take your notes and write the heading. Okay, children.
Ma'am, it is continuation.
Yes, continuation. Okay, children, we'll study about the quadrilaterals now. Study about the quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Okay. 1 minute, children. I will draw the types of quadrilaterals here. Okay. Different types of quadrilaterals. First one is.
Ma'am, we have to write.
So children, you draw it in a with your scale and pencil. Okay. And the first one is name of this. Okay, write this. See, children, we are studying about quadrilaterals in next year properly. Okay, just a basic idea of quadrilaterals. Now we are only this year you have to study, and detail we will study in next year. Okay. And second one is just note down only. Just note down. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Just note down square, rectangle, and all. Yes. Who is talking there? All sides are.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have you told right that you send the note? Ma'am, I'm joining from another device.
No problem. Just a basic idea. Okay, children, I'll send the slides to you. Just note down, we have to write it in a table. Afterwards, I'll show the PPT to you, okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now we will study about the parallelogram. Third one. Okay. So children, to get a basic idea, okay, we have some charts, some tables, okay. So in that, there are some more important points. And we'll study detailedly about this in the higher classes. Okay, children, now only some basic idea is enough. Can you hear, can you see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Third one. And fourth one is a trapezium. I already told you only one pair is parallel. Only one pair of sides. That means two sides. Only one pair means two sides. Pair. Two sides are parallel. Yes.
The trapezium's other pair of sides are equal, right?
Only one pair of sides are parallel, not equal.
Ma'am, the sides in the left and right are equal.
Yes. Sorry?
And the sides in the left and right of trapezium is equal.
Not equal. We can write, see, Sometimes. Okay, children, sometimes only, sometimes the trapezium will come like this. I'll show you. See, I already told you like this. Sometimes the trapezium I can draw. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, children, sometimes the trapezium will come like this.
Ma'am, can you show the third one?
See, children, see. Sometimes the trapezium will come like this also. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the idea will be different. So just write this one. And the fifth one is, I will
Ma'am,
draw
can you
fifth
show
one.
the third one?
Fifth one is, there is no shape in the board to show you ready-made. But the fifth one is like this. And see, the name of this is kite. Kite. See the shape? It is same as the kite shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the speciality is adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. What do you mean by adjacent sides? Here, can you see the adjacent, near side, near
sides.
near sides. These two are near sides. So for a kite, there is a speciality. Kite shape is like this. Have you seen height anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen kite? So in the shape itself indicates that it's near sides. I'll write once again. Adjacent sides. It is not opposite side. It has a speciality. Adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Trapezium, sixth one is a kite. You note down all these. And we are studying detailing in next year and in 8th standard also. And the sixth one is rhombus. Rhombus. So you have heard different names now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the sixth one is rhombus. Now I'll draw by hand because otherwise it will not be proper. See, rhombus is a diamond shape. Have you seen cards? Cards, have you seen?
Ma'am.
Cards, there is a diamond.
Yes,
Isn't it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A diamond one, diamond, spade, then all those things. In that one diamond shape, have you seen one diamond shape?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This shape is known as rhombus. Rhombus. Here all sides are equal for a rhombus, like a square. Rhombus also all sides are equal, but all angles are not 90 degree. Okay, children? All sides are equal. But angles are not 90 degree. Just look at this. Angles are not 90 degree. What is the difference between a square and a rhombus? Square all sides
Rhombus is having acute angles.
not acute angles. Square all sides are right angles.
Right angles.
Okay, but a rhombus all angles are right angle for a square. But in a rhombus, all angles are not right angles. Okay, so all angles are not right angle.
But some angles are right angles, right?
No. All angles are not right angle means maybe some different. It will be different. And opposite angles also equal for this. No need of writing that. You understood the shape of rhombus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the 6 important quadrilaterals. And we cannot consider it as a regular quadrilateral. Rhombus is not a regular quadrilateral. A regular quadrilateral means all angles are same, all sides are same, isn't it? So square has only that speciality. Rhombus, all angles are not 90 degree, not same. So we cannot consider rhombus as a regular quadrilateral. It is not a regular quadrilateral. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So write this. It's important. You just note down the important
Ma'am,
things
so-
in this.
So there is only one regular quadrilateral.
Oh, only square. Rhombus has all sides are equal, but all angles are different. So you cannot consider rhombus as a regular quadrilateral. Okay, regular quadrilaterals has only square has that speciality. Children? Okay, so these are the important quadrilaterals we have studied. First one you already know, it is a square. All sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. And rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. And parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal. It is very important, parallelogram. Next one is trapezium, only one pair of parallel sides, only one pair of sides are parallel. Sorry children, I did not write side there. Only one pair of sides, sorry. Only one pair of sides are parallel. Next one is a kite. Kite. Kite means adjacent sides are equal. Kite is the same as kite shape. So adjacent sides are equal. And sixth one is a rhombus. It's just like a square. Sides, about sides it is the same as square, but angles are not 90 degree. That is the difference. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now in our textbook there is a table. In our textbook there is a table, okay. But the tables, only diagonals we won't write diagonals, okay children? Now no need of studying about diagonals. I will take that table and I will make it easy for you to understand. I will draw and send it, okay? Yes, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll draw and send it. It is not like the table. I'll draw it again and send it. Yes. Okay, children, then one more thing, one more important things. Let me tell you. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow when you come, tomorrow we have class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow when you come, you will have to make ready some things. Okay, you have some cartons, no packets, like
Yes, ma'am.
medicine packet, boxes.
Some cardboard packets.
Cardboard packets, you know it.
Yes.
Why
Yes,
I told you to, cardboard packets. Toothpaste packets, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
That packet, will you be ready, make ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and one bowl, small bowl.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then birthday cap is there. You have birthday cap.
No, ma'am.
I have.
But you can make it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
With
Ma'am,
paper. With paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Like a cone. You know, ice cream cone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you make with paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that cone, then
Rubik's
like
Thank you.
like some cube. Rubik's cube is there with you?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Only way, you, if you
voice
have, you
breaking.
keep it with you. If you have, you don't need to go and buy, okay? If you have,
Can you say, ma'am,
your
can you
house,
say
it
it
will be
once
there.
more?
Yes?
Ma'am, I didn't hear. Can you say it once more? Ma'am, can you say
Nothing,
it once
nothing,
more?
child,
Didn't hear.
nothing. Just listen. Listen. You make ready if you have in your home. Don't need to going outside and buying, okay? You have old things, cartons, packets. If you have
Ma'am.
medicine, that bottles packet, no?
Okay, ma'am.
It is like a rectangular boxes, like a cube shape, cuboid shape, bowl. Is it there with you?
Yes.
Bowl. And Rubik's cube is there with you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Some cones you make with a paper cone.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then any cylinder shape thing is there in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, shuttlecock packet, ma'am.
Yes. Shuttlecock's packet. Or party bombs.
Okay, ma'am.
Party bombs, this, yes, Vrisa has shown something, see, what is that?
It's like a pen stand.
It's a pen holder.
Pen holder, yes, pen holder. And all those things, if you have, will you keep with you? So that I can teach the three-dimensional shapes tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, so next our topic is three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes, children. So, quadrilaterals, today I will send that chart to you. Okay, table to you. So, quadrilaterals, some true or false questions also is there. Okay, children. So, everything I will send to you. And I have sent you the homeworks. And tomorrow, when you are coming for the class, you make ready all this type of packets, three-dimensional shapes. If you have any other three-dimensional shape, that also keep with you. Okay, so our next topic is three-dimensional shapes. Now you can write in your notes. Okay. And we are going to study three-dimensional shapes.
Ma'am, continuation. New page.
Yes, new page. Because continuation, we have to write some other things. No problem, you continue, no problem. Three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children, three-dimensional shapes. Do you know what is three-dimensional shapes? What are two-dimensional shapes?
And two-dimensional shapes have length and breadth.
Two-dimensional shapes means it has only two dimensions. That is the main thing. That is why it has the name two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional means the name indicates.
Ma'am, flat shapes.
Yes.
Flat shapes.
Flat shapes, okay, flat shapes. It has only two dimensions, only length and breadth. So we can draw it in your paper, in your board, we can draw it in a plane, in our board, I can draw it in the board. Okay, it is a flat shape. Two-dimensional shape is a flat shape. But three-dimensional shape means it needs some space. Okay, children, it needs some space. Because we cannot hold it, means two-dimensional shape, we cannot hold it and keep. Cannot hold in our hand. It is a flat shape we can draw in the board. But three-dimensional shape means we can hold, we can keep somewhere, and it needs some space.
It has length, breadth and height.
It has length, breadth and height, like a tank, water tank. Water tank needs some space, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have some plastic water tanks. Usually it is our water tanks, plastic. Cylinder shape.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There is white color, black color, blue color, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it needs some space, right? In your terrace, it is keeping. We are keeping it on our terrace, and it needs some space. And see, children, you have seen the water heater, solar water heater somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
somewhere.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It has a cylinder shape, something, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Like
for everything, it
Yes,
needs
ma'am.
a space. Okay, children, 1 minute. Yes, children, look at this. See, it is a 2D shape or 3D shape?
3D.
3D shape. It's a 3D shape.
Shape. It is a 3D shape. See, it needs some space. See, on my hand, I can keep it like this. It needs some space, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, two-dimensional shape has it has length, breadth, and height, and it needs some space. Even your ball, you have football.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and tennis ball, cricket ball also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, football
ma'am.
needs some more space. And tennis ball, cricket ball needs very less space. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
three-dimensional shapes means it needs some space to occupy. When we keep it, it needs some space. Okay, children. Now we will study about different three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children, you bring the cartons and I will explain it. And what is the shape of it? What we will tell about the football? Can you tell which shape it is?
Spear.
Spear.
Spear. And can you tell one more example for spear?
Basketball.
Orange.
Leaf balls. Some eatables.
Globe.
Orange.
Orange. Then
Apple.
Watermelon.
laddu.
Watermelon.
Okay.
Ma'am, Earth.
Earth is not. It is
It
shape
is
is something else.
geoid. Ma'am, it is geoid.
Geoid, not a spear. Okay.
It is flat at the poles.
Yes. Flattened at the poles. Okay. Then next one is spear. You know what are the examples? Next one is cube. What are the examples of
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Okay, Rubik's Cube. Then
Box. And box.
some boxes. Not all boxes. Okay, children. Now you have your instrument box. No. What is the shape of the instrument box?
It is cuboid.
Keyboard. It is a keyboard. Instrument box is a keyboard. Okay. Now, Vrisa, will you show that? I'll keep in the speaker view. Okay, Vrisa, will you show that pen holder? Speak something and show it. Vrisa, you speak something. Yes. This is the pen holder. Yes. This is the pen holder. You know what is the shape of it?
Yes, ma'am. It's a cylinder.
It is a cylinder. Okay. You have some more cylinder shape in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Gas cylinder. Yes, Sanega has shown something. Okay.
Ma'am, cylinder.
It is not a cylinder, dear.
Ma'am,
Not a
cylinder.
cylinder. It is not a cylinder. The shape of it is something else. 10th standard you will study about that. Sanega, that shape, bucket shape.
Cylinder.
That shape is something else.
Ma'am, this is cylinder.
Yes. So cylinder shapes you know, isn't it? And in your kitchen you have found some more cylinder shapes. Breakfast time.
And glasses.
Glass.
Glasses. Breakfast time you will find some cylinder shapes.
And tea glass.
Yeah.
1 minute. What have you? Today's what was your breakfast?
Dosha.
Dosha. Okay. Next.
Bread and jam.
Somebody told.
Bread and jam.
Okay.
Bread and jam.
Okay. Somebody told the answer. Puttu.
Ma'am, put.
Okay. So you know the utensil, the thing which we are making puttu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the put is also in the shape of a cylinder. It is a solid cylinder. Put is solid cylinder, and the thing which we are making put is hollow cylinder. Inside nothing is there. We will insert some floor inside
Some
that,
floor.
isn't it? Then it will become puttu. Okay. So hollow cylinder and a solid cylinder, and a gas cylinder is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
It's also cylinder shape, isn't it? So tomorrow
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
study
Yes,
detailedly about three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.